Good morning, dear children. In previous class, we have seen the formula and abbreviations of functional group and what type of suffix we are to add in particular compounds. So, according to the rule of nomenclature, we are to follow this. Today, let us see few functional group. First one is alcohol. The formula is OH. We are to add the suffix as OL, which is the first hydrocarbon in alcohol group. In the homologous series, what is the first member in the homologous series of alcohol? CH3OH, that is methanol. Next, ethanol, propanol it goes. Look at this compound. How many carbon atoms are present? 4 carbon atoms are present. In this OH group is there. So, it is known as butanol. Otherwise, we can say that butane 1-ol because alcohol group is attached in first carbon. So, butane 1-ol. Look at this structure. In this structure, carbon is there. 4 carbons are present. In this 4 carbons, alcohol group is present in second carbon. So, when we are naming, we have to give the number from 1, 2, 3. So, in the second carbon, 2 attachment is there. So, 1, 2, 3. The longest chain is propane. Attachment is OH1 functional group. Another one is methyl group. So, the methyl group is attached in second carbon atom. So, we have to name it as 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl propane, 2-ol, 2-methyl propane, 2-ol. So, this is the one of the isomer for butane 1-ol. Functional group isomer. Functional group isomers, you can say this. Functional group is same. At the same time, what is differ? Structure is differ. Next, look at this. See here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom is present. Alcohol group is present in first carbon. Methyl group is present in second carbon. So 2-methyl propane 1-ol. 2-methyl propane 1-ol. If you keep this structure, this OH group is present in second carbon. That is not the first carbon. We have to name it as a longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So functional group will get the lowest locant number. So that only we have started the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Look at this. All those have same number of carbon atom and hydrogen atom. They are different in the structure. So this is the isomers. Look at this other example. Look at this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are present in a chain. In second carbon atom, what is present? OH is present. And in third carbon atom, double bond is present. So, first we have to say the longest chain, pent. Then double bond, 3-ene. Why 3-ene? Double bond is present. Again, alcohol group is present in second carbon. So, pent 3-ene 2-ol. Pent 3-ene 2-ol. Look at this structure. This is cyclostructure. Here cyclic compound. Here first we have to give this number from the functional group. So we have started the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you give the number from here, this will get the highest number. So how we have to start the number? We have to start the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now where is the double bond? Double bond locant is 2. So double bond is present in 2. So how will you name it? First we have to give the substituent. So which is a main? This is cyclo compound. Cyclo, how many carbon atoms are present? 6 carbon atom. In this, what is attached? Alcohol group is there. At the same time, double bond is there. So cyclohex 2-ene. 2-ene because double bond 1-ol. 2-ene 1-ol. So could you name this compound? How many carbon atoms are there? In this carbon atom 1, 2, 3. In this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Alcohol group is there. So how do we name it? Write the name of this. This is exercise number 1. Next, look at this compound. These compounds are in a straight line compound. There is no cyclic compound present in this. So we have to name the compound from the functional group. Numbering, we have to start from the functional group. So how many carbon atoms are present in the straight line? 5 carbon atoms are present and 2 functional group is there, complex functional group. So here OH is there and triple bond is there. So OH is there and also triple bond is present. And also attachment substituent is there, that is CH3 substituent. So first we have to start from the substituent. So substituent is present in which carbon atom? Third carbon atom. And what is another, how many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 5 carbon atom. So first we have to give the substituent. Next, longest chain. Next, functional group in this longest chain. So what is present? Triple bond is present. Triple bond means YNE, YNE, and also functional group is present, that is 1-ol. So here first we have to start from, what is the name of the compound? 3. In the third carbon what is present? 3 methyl group is present. In which carbon chain? 5 carbon chain. So 5 carbon chain means we will write as pent, and pent carbon chain what is present? Triple bond is present. Triple bond is present which carbon atom? Fourth carbon atom. So pent 4 wine. So E should not write. So we have to cut wine. And it is what is present? Alcohol is present. Alcohol is present in which carbon atom? First carbon atom. Wine 1-ol. Wine 1-ol. 3 methyl pen 4 wine 1-ol. This is the name of this compound. Could you name this compound? Look at this. Here double bond is present. Cyclocarbon. Cyclo compound. 4 carbon with the cyclic compound. And 2 functional group. Main functional group is alcohol and chlorine. So we have to start naming from, give this alcohol, get the lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write this name of this compound. This is exercise 2. Next one. Here give this cyclic compound. Alcohol group is present and alcohol group is present in first carbon atom. In second carbon atom substituent is there. So this is a substituent. This cyclic compound is a substituent. So substituent is present in second carbon atom. In this double carbon chain, so 2 cyclopropyl ethane, ethane 1-ol. Cyclopropane, ethane 1-ol. So this is a substituent. This cyclopropane is a substituent. So propane means we have to write propyl. Butane means butyl. So first cyclic we have to start. Then we have to give the longest carbon. Next we have to select the functional group. Look at this. Here what is present? Alcohol group is present. And this is the first carbon atom. It contains 2 cyclic compound. What are the 2 cyclic compound? One is pentyl group, another one is propyl group. So which is a substituent here? This is the main chain. This is a substituent. It's a substituent. This pentyl group is a substituent and it contains cyclopropyl and pentyl. Name this compound. So it contains cyclopentyl and cyclopropyne and alcohol is present in first carbon. Name this. Look at here. Here also functional group is alcohol. 6 carbon atom cyclic compound with double bond. In this 3 carbon atoms are present in a straight line. So alcohol is present in this carbon. So we have to give the number from this carbon. 1, 2, 3. So here which is a substituent? This cyclic compound is a substituent. And its substituent contain double bond. So how will you write the name? You can write the name as What is present? Cyclic compound is present. Cyclic compound is present in third carbon atom. In this third carbon atom, what is present? Double bond is present. Double bond is present in which carbon atom? First carbon atom. First, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First carbon atom of this cyclic ring. So, how will you attachment? Where is the functional group? Functional group is there in the second carbon. So, this is straight line carbon. This is substituent. This substituent contain double bond and main functional group OH. So, how will you name it? 1 first carbon of this cyclic compound is attached with the long chain. 1 cyclo hex. Why hex? Because 6 carbon atom. And in the hex, what is present? In first carbon atom, what is present? Double bond is present. So, ethinyl. Ethene should write. So, E should not write. Well, ethinyl. And next to how many carbon atoms are there in this straight line? 3 carbon atoms. So, what we have to write? Propan. In propan, what is present? In propan, what is present? OH group is present. OH group is present in propane. So, propane 2 all. Propane 2 all. Cyclohex 1 enyl propane 2 all. Why 2 all? OH is present in second carbon atom. What is the name of this compound? 1 cyclohex 1 enyl propane 2 all. Could you write name for this compound? Cyclic compound is there. It contains double bond. Here another substituent is there. You know that. Here how do we name it? This is methylidene because directly double bond is attached in this group. So this is exercise number 4. Look at this carbon atom compound. Look at this cyclic compound. How many carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this third carbon contain alcohol and fifth carbon contain cyclic compound and second carbon contain double bond. So how will you name it? 5 cyclopropyl and hex. 6 carbon atoms are there in a straight line. Hex 2 in 3 all. 2 in 3 all. You can name in such a way. So write the name of this compound. 5 cyclopropyl hex 2 in 3 all. 2 in 3 all. It's the name of this compound. So if alcohol is there means OH, and this is the way you have to write the name of this given compound. Could you write name for this? Here I will explain. You have to write the name. OH group is present and it contains methylidene group because CH2 is directly attached with. Here this group is ethinyl group. Ethinyl group. So ethinyl group is present in which carbon atom? Third carbon atom ethinyl group is present and fifth carbon atom methylidene group is present, and this is a cyclic compound with 6 carbon. In this first carbon OH is present. So you can write the name of this. Next, another one compound is there. You could write the name for this compound. This is exercise number 5. Here what is present? In this carbon, OH group is present. So which is a substituent? This is a substituent. Cyclopropyl is the substituent. This is the substituent. So now could you number this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in second carbon double bond is there. First carbon OH is there and also propyl group is present. So what is the name of this compound? Next functional group, we can say this aldehyde. In this aldehyde, carbon is present. So carbon also should be counted when we are counting the number of the carbon. So which is the first homologous member of this aldehyde? Formaldehyde, HCHO. So the double bond is present with oxygen and remaining this side alkyl group is present. So look at this. First let us start this example. So if aldehyde is present means we have to add the letter Al. So CHO, CHO. What is present? CHO, CHO. So 2 CHO is present. This 2 CHO also, how it will be? C double bond O C double bond O H C double bond O H. So look at here, everywhere had 4 valencies are satisfied. So how will you name it now? How many carbon? 2 carbon. This is first carbon, this is second carbon. What is present? Aldehyde group is present. So how will you name it? Ethene, E-T-H-E-N-E, ethene. And what is present? Aldehyde group is present. Aldehyde group is present in which carbon atom? 1 and second carbon atom. First carbon atom and second carbon atom. What is present? Dial, Y-L-A-L, aldehyde. Ethene, 1, 2, dial. This is the name of this compound. Ethene, 1, 2, dial. CHO, CHO. Next example. Look at this example. Here, this is understood that CHO. CHO. So this is first carbon. We have to give this functional group as the first carbon. So second 3. So in second carbon what is present? Methyl group is present. In first carbon what is present? Functional group is present. So how will you name it? 2. In second carbon what is present? 2 methyl. And how many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 there means how do we name it? Propane. Propane. What is present? Aldehyde group is present in first carbon. So 1 al. 1 al. So 2 methyl propan 1 al. 2 methyl. 2 methyl propan 1 al. Actually this is CHO. Don't think that this is CO. It is hidden. H is hidden over here. If it is CO functional group, it comes only in the middle of the carbon atom. Both side carbon should be there. Then only ketone group will come. This is aldehyde. This hydrogen is hidden over here. Actually, what will be present here? Here, hydrogen is present. Understood? So, next look at this example. This one you can try it as your exercise. This is exercise 5. So, here also what is present? This is a functional group. So, you have started the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? This is a substituent. 3 carbon atom substituent and it contains double bond. So, try to write the name of this compound and 5 carbon are there in the straight line. Next, look at this structure. Here also, this is a functional group. And here this is the attachment. What is attachment? bromo, cyclobromo with double bond is the attachment. So when we are giving the number 1, 2, 3. So what is present? In second carbon, what is present? Cyclobromine is present. So we have to give the number for this cyclic compound. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this third carbon, bromine is present, and second carbon, double bond is present. And this main chain, second carbon, this cyclic compound is present, and also methyl group is present. This is the functional group. So now how will you name it? First you have to give the substituent. So what is the substituent? Substituent is present in which carbon atom? That is present in second carbon atom. So 2, what is present? 3 bromo. 3 bromo. And what is present? This is cyclic compound. So cyclo bute. Cyclo bute. What is this? Double bond. So how do we name it? 2-enyl. Bute is double bond is present in 2 second carbon atom. So 2-enyl. 2-enyl. And also what is present? Methyl group is present. Methyl group is present in which carbon atom? Second carbon atom. So 2-methyl. What is the how many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 3 carbon atom. Main chain is 3 carbon atoms. So 2-methyl propane 1-al. 2-methyl propane 1-al. What is the name of this compound? 3 bromo cyclo bute 2-enyl. This is a substituent. Substituent you have to give in this bracket. Always substituent you have to give in the bracket. So 3 bromo cyclobute 2-enyl and 2-methyl propan 1-al. 2-methyl propan 1-al. That's the name of this compound. So you apply the rule each and everywhere. Look at these compound. Here 3 functional group is there. So when you are giving this name for this compound, you can start this as a main carbon atom. That means you can name now give the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon atoms are present in this straight line, and there is attachment of aldehyde group in second carbon. Then you will get the name as 3-formyl. The CHO means what is the name of this group? Formyl group. So if you start from the number from 1, 2, 3, 4. If you start the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon atoms are there. In this third carbon, what is present? CHO is present. So the CHO means there is a functional group of formaldehyde. So formyl. So 3-formyl pentane. So why pentane? 5 carbon atoms are there in a straight line. Pentane 1,5. So 1, this is first carbon and this is fifth carbon. 1,5-dial. 1,5-dial. So here we have included this functional group carbon also along with the chain. So without adding the functional group in the chain, if you count how many carbon atoms are there in the straight line, 3 carbon atoms are there in the straight line. If you take this all as a substituent, all as a functional group, you can take this as a main. So in the first carbon also what is present? Aldehyde is there. Second carbon also aldehyde is there. Third carbon also aldehyde is there. So if you see this, IUPAC name of this compound is, how many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 3 carbons. So that is propane. In this propane, what is present? 1, 2, 3. In this first carbon and second carbon and third carbon, what is present? 3-aldehyde group is present. Try 3-aldehyde group is present. Try carbaldehyde. What do you have to name? Try carbaldehyde. So when 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. Otherwise we can say propane 1, 2, 3 trial. Propane 1, 2, 3 trial. Al means aldehyde, tri means 3. So carbaldehyde, we have to use the word as carbaldehyde when we are not considering this functional group for the main chain carbon. If we are considering the main chain carbon for as a functional group, then we have to use the suffix. That means al, oic, in. This suffix we have to use. And we are not considering this functional group as a not part of this lengthy carbon chain, then we have to use the word carbaldehyde, carboxylic acid, carbanone. That word we have to use. So the functional group which contain carbon as a formula in this functional group, then we have to name it as a carbo functional group. So carbon aldehyde, so carbaldehyde. So we have to name this as a propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. This way you have to give the name for IUPAC name of this carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid and aldehyde. So in the main chain, directly aldehyde group is attached and we are not counting this aldehyde group in the main chain, so we have to name it as a carbaldehyde. So what's the next functional group? The next functional group is ketone. So we know that what is the speciality of ketone? Always ketone will be present in the middle of the carbon atom. Both side what should be there? Carbon should be there. Either side of the functional group carbon is there, then only it can be considered as ketone. So ketone is present means which suffix we will add? We will add ONE. We will add ONE. So what is the first carbon? First homologous member of ketone group? Propanone. Propanone means CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is propanone. Why we say this is propanone? 3 carbon and middle functional group is present, that is C double bond O, so propanone. So CH3CO CH3 is the first member of homologous series of ketone family. So look at this structure. This is a cyclic structure. What do you mean by this double bond O? What does it mean by this? This means this contain ketone group. This contain ketone group. So ketone group is present in which carbon atom? Cyclocarbon atom. So how many carbon are there? 6 carbon are there. So cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. Otherwise cyclohex 1-one. Cyclohex 1-one because it is present in first carbon atom. Ketone group is present in first carbon. It is mean by that, what does it mean? It contains carbon. This contains carbon. This here carbon is present. Here carbon is present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon. In this first carbon, what is present? Ketone group is present. So cyclohex 1-one. What is this name of the compound? 4 carbon atoms are there. In this second carbon, ketone group is present. So butane 2-one. Butane 2-one. Could you write name for this? This exercise. You name it as. What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? Write the name of this compound. Count the number of carbon atom and what is the position of ketone group and write the name. Look at this structure. It's a complex structure. In this, what is the functional group? Ketone is a functional group. So double bond O is present means definitely that is a ketone group. It should be in the middle of the carbon atom. So it is present in the cyclic carbon atom and here we have got another substituent. So what is a substituent? double bond with 2 carbon atoms. So ethinyl. Ethinyl is a substituent. And what is another main group? Cyclopropane. So cyclopropane contains what? Ketone function group. So 2-ethinyl, cyclopropane, 1 one. Why 1 ketone group? It is present in cycloprop 1 Look at this structure. What is present? 2 ketone group is present. So 2 ketone group is present in which carbon compound? 5 with a cyclo compound. So cyclopent 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is present in third carbon atom. So you have to give the number from, if you start giving the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, it gets the highest number. So you can start giving the number from here. So 1, 2, 3. So first carbon and third carbon contain ketone group. So cyclopent 1,3-dione. Cyclopent 1,3-dione. So this is the ketone group, functional group carbon compound. If you see this carbon compound, how you have to name? You have to write the name as, look at here. This is the ketone group. In the ketone group, either side carbon chain is there. We can see this as a one group. You can see this as a one group. So now it contains two groups. This one is ethyl group, another one is methyl group. So we have to consider this as alkyl ketone. Alkyl ketone. This is first alkyl group and this is secondary alkyl group. This is a ketone group. So alkyl ketone group. So when you are giving this name as, first we have seen propanone. What is the name of this common? Common name is propanone. What is IUPAC name? When you see this IUPAC name, methyl what? Ketone. So methyl ketone or dimethyl ketone. Methyl ketone or dimethyl ketone. Look at here. Here methyl group is present. Here ethyl group is present. So ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. What is the name of this compound? Ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. And look at this compound. This is the ketone group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. Here also 4 carbon atoms are present. So when you, how will you name this? How will you give the name for this compound? Here how many carbon atoms are present in this straight line? And how many carbon atoms are present in, when you look at this group, when you are seeing this, when look at this carbon, in this carbon, if you take this as a group, this is first carbon, this is second carbon. So this type of group will be considered as isobutyl. If it is second carbon attachment is there, either side carbon is there, means we will say this is isobutyl. And look at this carbon here, this is a one. If you start giving the number from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Either side carbon is present. Either side carbon is present. Then we same as a secondary butyl. What is the name of this structure? Is a secondary butyl. So here secondary butyl is there. Here isobutyl is there. And what is the functional group? Ketone is present. So how will you name it? You can name it isobutyl secondary butyl ketone. Isobutyl secondary butyl ketone. Isobutyl secondary butyl ketone. You can give name as a isobutyl secondary butyl ketone. Look at this compound. What is present? Cyclic group is present and also ketone group is present. So cyclic group is present, ketone group is present, and methyl group is present. So how will you name it? Cyclopropyl methyl ketone. Cyclopropyl methyl ketone. Cyclopropyl methyl ketone. Could you draw the structure for this exercise? Could you draw the structure for ethyl cyclopentyl ethyl cyclopentyl ketone, ethyl cyclopentyl ketone, and also ethyl secondary butyl ketone, ethyl secondary butyl ketone, ethyl secondary butyl ketone. Draw the structure for two compound. What is the next functional group? Next functional group is carboxylic acid. We know that carboxylic acid means COOH. We have to add the suffix at OIC. OIC. What is the first homologous member of carboxylic acid? Methanoic acid. HCOOH. Ethanoic acid CH3COOH. So here if you see this is a cyclic compound. Here COOH group is there with this CH2. So when we are giving this number, we can say this, you have to give the number from here 1, 2. So in the second carbon atom, what is present? Cyclic compound is present. What is a cyclic compound? Cyclohexane. So 2-cyclohexane, ethanoic acid. 2-cyclohexane, 2 carbons, so that ethanoic acid. 2-cyclohexane, ethanoic acid. So here this is a functional group and here this is a substituent. So that we are starting giving the number from 1, 2. So 2-cyclohexane ethanoic acid. Look at this next example. Here this is a functional group. COOH is a functional group. This is a one substituent and this is a longest carbon atom. It contains another one more functional group, that is double bond. So if you take this compound, COOH is a functional group and this is a substituent. And here one more functional group is present. So how will you name it? You can give the name as 2-cyclopropyl. Why 2-cyclopropyl? Because cyclopropane is present in the second carbon atom. So 2-cyclopropyl bute. How many carbon are there in a straight line? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 carbon are present in the longest chain. So bute-2-enoic acid. Bute-2-enoic acid. Why enoic acid? Double bond is present. So 2-bute-enoic acid. This is the name of this compound. Look at this structure. Here it is pentane, cyclopentane. In this cyclopentane, COOH is directly attached. In previous, when ketone group is attached, aldehyde group is attached directly to the carbon atom, what word we use? Carbaldehyde. Like that, if COOH is directly attached to this carbon atom of cyclic, we have to say that carboxylic acid. So how will you name is? I will write actually cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Cyclopentane carboxylic acid. If carboxylic acid is directly attached in cyclo compound, we should not use secondary suffix like oic word. We should not use secondary suffix as oic, al should not be used. So what is another name? 1-cyclopentyl methanoic acid actually. 1-cyclopentyl methanoic acid. But that we should not use. We have to use only cyclopentane carboxylic acid. When we are using carboxylic acid, carbaldehyde, what does it mean? This carbon of functional group is directly attached to the substituent R. Look at this next example. Here 5 cyclopentane group is there. That means with the 5 carbon atom. In this it is not directly, COOH is not directly attached. Ethanoic acid only attached. So how will you name it? If you start giving the number from the functional group 1, 2, in second carbon cyclopentane is there, and what is present? Ethanoic acid is present. So 2 cyclopentyl ethanoic acid. 2 cyclopentyl ethanoic acid. Could you name this compound? This exercise. Actually, what exercise number we are given? X number 5, X number 6. This is exercise number 6. And we can give this as exercise number 7. This exercise number 8. So this exercise number 9. So exercise number 9. Write the name of this compound. Carboxylic acid is directly attached to propane. So how will you name it? Next, look at this another example. Here carboxylic acid is directly present in cyclo compound of hexane with double bond. Write the name of this. This exercise number 10. Here functional group is directly attached with the 4 carbon atom with double bond. So cyclo bute 2ene, double bond is present in 2ene, and carboxylic acid, 2ene carboxylic acid, cyclobute 2ene carboxylic acid. So first we have to give the preference for carboxylic group. Functional group is directly attached means we have to give the name as a carboxylic acid, and it is a cyclopentane is present. Why it is, how it is cyclopentane? It's a close compound with 4 cyclobutane, not pentane. Cyclobutane. Why it is cyclobutane? 4 carbon atoms are present in a cyclic compound, and double bond is present. Double bond is present in second carbon atom. So cyclobute 2ene carboxylic acid. Cyclo-2-bute 2ene carboxylic acid. Look at this compound. Here also cyclo compound is present. Second carbon atom, what is present? Double bond is present, but the carboxylic acid is not directly attached to this cyclic compound. CH3, CH2, CH3COOH is present. So 2 cyclobute 2-enyl. Why 2-enyl? Because the substituent contain double bond. So 2-enyl ethanoic acid. 2-cyclobute 2-enyl ethanoic acid. Next, look at this example. Here 2 COOH is present. COOH, COOH. So double carboxylic acid group is present. So ethene 1,2-dioic acid. 1,2-dioic acid. Ethane 1,2. This is first carbon. This is second carbon. So 1,2-dioic acid. Ethane 1,2-dioic acid. Look at here. Here propane is present. 3 carboxylic group is present. So 3 carboxylic group is present in carbon atom directly. So this carboxylic group is present in direct carbon compound. So propane is a straight line. In this straight line carboxylic acid group is present. So propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. What's the name of this compound? Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Look at this another example. Here this is a carboxylic acid group is present, and another one carboxylic acid group is present, and double bond also present. So when you see this lengthy carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, this 4 carbon atoms are there in a straight line, and this first one contain carboxylic acid group, second one contain double bond, and fourth one contain carboxylic acid group. So 4 carbon means butane. It contains double bond. So butene 1,4-dioic acid. Butene 1,4-dioic acid. Next one, if this carboxylic acid contains any halides, halide means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, then we will name as a acid halide. How do we name it? Acid halide. When acid halide is there means we have to use the word OYL halide. Methanol, ethanoyl halide, methanol chloride, ethanoyl chloride. In this way we have to write. Look at this is the first example. HC double bond OCl. X means all the halogens. What is the name of this? Methanol chloride. What's the name of this compound? Methanol chloride because one carbon atom. What's the name of this compound? Ethanoyl bromide. What's the name of this compound? Ethanoyl bromide. Why it is ethanoyl bromide? Because it contains 2 carbon atom with bromine group. So ethanoyl bromide. Next, look at this example. Here what is present? Iodine is present. How many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 3 carbon atoms are there in a straight line, and it contains double bond also. So second carbon contains double bond. So prop-2-ene. Prop-2-ene. So oil iodide. So prop-2-enoyl iodide. Prop-2-enoyl iodide. Instead of E, we have to write OYL. ENOYL means it contains double bond. Prop-2-enoyl iodide. Look at this example. Here carboxylic acid halide is present. In the second carbon atom, substituent, that's the substituent is cyclohexane is present, and it contains double bond also. So 2-cyclohexyl methyl, ethyl, propyl in such a way, this is hexyl. 2-cyclohexyl but 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon but 2-enyl. So sorry, 3-enyl. So double bond is present in third carbon atom. So 3-enyl. Enyl after, so it is carboxylic acid halide. So enoyl bromide. So 2-cyclohexyl but 3-enoyl bromide. What's the name of this compound? 2-cyclohexyl but 3-enoyl bromide. Look at this carbon compound. Could you write the name of this compound? This exercise number 11. How many carbon atoms are there in a straight line? 2 carbon atom. In the second carbon atom, 2 methyl group is attached, and this is acid halide group. Next, look at this example. Here, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are there. At the same time, bromine is present, and what is present? Acid bromide is present, methyl group is present. This is the first carbon. This is second carbon. So this is a third carbon, fourth carbon. Third carbon, what is there? Triple bond is there. In second carbon, what is present? Methyl group is present. And what is this? This is a functional group. So COBr is a functional group. This is the longest hydro chain. So longest chain contains 4 carbon atom. And in this 4 carbon atom, substituent like methyl group is present, and also it contains triple bond. So what's the name of this compound if it contains such, if it is present in such a way? Write the name of this. Say exercise number 12. Next example, it's a cyclic compound and acid halide is there. So cyclohexane carbonyl chloride, cyclohexane carbonyl chloride, because directly it is attached, so that we have to use the word carbonyl. If it is directly attached, we have to use the word carbonyl. So cyclohexyl carbonyl chloride. Could you draw the structure for 4-bromo cyclobute 1-ene carbonyl chloride? 4-bromo cyclo 1-ene carbonyl chloride. How to write? First we have to see this. What is a substituent? what is the substituent and what is the functional group. Carbonyl chloride is the functional group. So carbonyl chloride, if it is present, means directly COCl is attached with this carbon compounds. What is the carbon compound? Cyclo compound. Cyclo with how many carbons? Bute. Bute means 4 carbon. And what does it contain? En is there. En is there means what does it mean? It contain double bond. And also another function substituent, what is present? Bromine is present. So bromine is present which carbon atom? 4th carbon atom. So first you draw the cyclic compound, 4 carbon atom. In this 4 carbon atom, what is present? Carbonyl chloride is present. Carbonyl chloride is present. And so carbonyl chloride you have written. Cyclobute you have written. So cyclobute contain what? Double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4 bromo. So bromine is present in 4th place. This is the 4 bromo. This is the way we have to draw the structure for the given name of the compound. So this is next one. 2,6 nitro. Nitro means which substituent you have to add? NO2. You have to add NO2. So 2,6 nitro cyclohex. 2 in the second carbon atom, what is the substituent? 2,6 nitro hex cyclohex 3 enyl. 3 enyl ethanoyl chloride. 3 enyl ethanoyl chloride. 3 enyl ethanoyl chloride. Could you draw the structure for this? Okay. Next, another one example I'll give that. CH2, CH2, all the place what is present? Carbonyl chloride is present. How many carbonyl chloride? 3 carbonyl chloride. It is attached directly with this carbon, so that how do we name it? How many main carbon are present? 3 carbon atoms are present. So it is propane. So propane, how do we name it? Propane. So what is present? 1, 2, 3 tricarbonyl chloride. Tricarbonyl, what is present? Chloride. Chloride. This is the name of this compound. Could you draw the structure for butane? 1, 2, 3, 4 tetracarbonyl bromide. Butane 1, 2, 3, 4 tetracarbonyl bromide. So in few more functional groups are there. Look at this textbook and read all the functional group and practice. If you practice, when whatever name you have given, you can draw the structure, or whatever structure they are given, you can write the name. Thank you, children.